Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating a card using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set with you in mind. We're going to make a birthday card, photopolymer, see-through. Using basic white cardstock here. This is cut 3.5 by 4 3/4, and for the inside 4 by 5 1/4. And first time using this color, blueberry bushel, cut 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I just thought that I'd go ahead and make a birthday card. Really quick and easy, very simple birthday card. And this will be for a boy because we're using blue. Let me go ahead and get paper in here. Don't usually use paper, but we're gonna stamp off of the sides, or you know what I mean, we're not gonna stay inside, but let's go ahead and stamp the happy birthday. Beautiful, beautiful. And then azure afternoon, complementary color, right? Oh. And then we're just gonna stamp the cupcakes, you know, like there. You see I stamped outside the and then here, and then maybe down here. It's a happy birthday. And then on the inside, maybe going up on the side here, just like that. And then that's it for stamping, you guys. You know, quick and easy. That's all we needed. Now we go ahead and we can glue this on the inside. Center as best as you can. So cute, yeah. And then on the top, we put this one. Oh, I almost went off over there. And this one here too, center as best as you can. Yeah, I'm turning the card this way so I can see center. And there we have it. I'm not even gonna put any type of rhinestones or bling on there because I'm thinking this will be for a boy. But plain, simple, quick and easy. Happy birthday with the cupcakes. How do you like that one? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up products, please visit my website. The address is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back again soon. Bye!